Hello, today we will guide you through how to verify a Vinted account. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Vinted website. This is the main platform where you can manage your account, update your profile details, and access verification options. Once the homepage is loaded, take a moment to make sure you are signed in to the correct account before continuing, since the verification settings are only available from inside your personal account area. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This is where Vinted keeps the menu for your account-related options. If you do not immediately see the menu you need, give the page a second to load fully, then click again to open the Profile dropdown. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can control different parts of your account, including profile preferences, account details, and security-related options. Settings is an important section because it is where most account management tasks begin. Once you are inside Settings, click on Account Settings. This section is specifically focused on your account information and any actions related to maintaining or confirming your account details. If you see several tabs or categories, make sure you are in the correct one before moving on. In Account Settings, find and click on Verify. This option starts the verification process for your Vinted account. Verification is typically used to help confirm your identity or contact details and can improve the security and trustworthiness of your account. After selecting Verify, enter your phone number in the field provided, then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the process. The exact prompts may vary slightly, but in most cases you will be asked to confirm the number through a code or similar verification step. Be sure to enter your own valid phone number carefully so you can receive any required confirmation message without delays. If you do not receive a code right away, double-check the number you entered and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once you complete the prompts, your account verification should be submitted or finalized depending on Vinted's current process. That's all it takes to verify your Vinted account through the website. Follow each screen carefully and you should be able to complete the setup smoothly.